Good afternoon, student of class 10. Today I'll teach you subtopic of life processes, that is excretion. Children, you know what is excretion? Excretion is a removal of waste product from our body. So it is very essential to remove the waste product or toxic substances from our body. Otherwise, it is very harmful to our body. So this all we will study in this chapter. Okay children, let's start today's lesson, that is excretion in humans. Previous section we have studied about the circulatory system in humans. So children, the main organs in excretory system in humans are two kidneys, two ureters, bladders and urethra. Why these organs are required? Because excretion, it is a process to remove all the waste or poisonous substances from our body. To remove that all substances, we need this type of organs in the excretory system. So children, this excretory system, here is a, if you see in the diagram, see here, it is made up of bean-shaped kidney. The shape towards the back of our body. Okay, this one is our back of our body. Every person has two kidneys. See, all have the two kidneys. The blood in our body is constantly passing through our kidneys. The renal artery brings in the dirty blood into the kidneys. The functions of kidneys is to remove the poisonous substance, urea, other waste salts and excess water from the blood and excrete them in the form of a yellowish liquid called urine. So children, kidneys clean our blood by filtering it to remove unwanted substances, whatever present in it. The clean blood is carried away from the kidney by the renal vein. So children, the ureters, here this one is a tube. This ureter, one open is kidney into the urinary bladder. This one open, and here is a bladder, urinary bladder. This open into the urinary bladder. Ureters, these are the tubes which carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Urine is stored in the bladder. The bladder is a bag which stores urine till the when it not fully become packed. So children, afterward it have to excrete. There is a presence of bladder, then there is a presence of urethra also. It's just you can see below the bladder there is presence of urethra. The urine collected in the bladder is passed out from the body through the urethra. Okay, whatever collected, it is passed out through the body with this urethra. So children, in the human body, this type of bean-shaped kidney, urinary bladders, these all are present. So children, you have to remember this all, and the main, each kidney is made up of see children, each kidney of human being is made up of large number of excretory unit called nephron. Remember that one, nephron. Okay, each kidney, if you see a section of this kidney, large number of unit that is present, that is known as the nephron. The nephron has a cup-shaped bag at its upper end, which is called Bowman's capsule. The lower end of Bowman's capsule is tube-shaped and it is called a tubules. So children, it play a vital role. Our kidney play a vital role for the removal of waste product or whatever undigested or nitrogenous substances, that all it helps to excrete out. So children, not only the human being, there is the plant also, some excretory substances use completely different from strategies for excretion than those of animals. Oxygen itself can be thought of as a waste product generated during photosynthesis. We have already discussed earlier how plants deal with oxygen as well as carbon dioxide. They can get rid of excess water by transpiration. For other wastes, plants use the fact that many of their tissues consist of dead cells and that they can even lose some parts such as leaves. Many plants' waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles. You have already read in the class 9 vacuoles. The functions of vacuoles is to store the whatever waste product. That waste products may be stored in leaves that fall off. Other waste products are stored as resins and gums. I think you have seen in the plants, the outer covering of the bark of the trees, there is presence of gums like structure, especially in old xylem. I think children, you know xylem. Xylem is a vascular tissue which conduct water and minerals from the root to different parts of the body. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them. So it is different strategies than the animals' excretory system. So children, go through this all and answer this question. Define excretion. Name the excretory units of kidney. What is the name of the tube which connects the kidney to the bladder? Name the main nitrogenous waste in the human blood. How is it removed from the blood? Draw a diagram of human excretory system and label its part. Okay children, good luck.